Hi, I get a lot of people who come in and they're really not sure that what I'm doing can help them. They feel like they've tried everything. They've tried over-counter um, mouth guards and found they've just been too big and bulky and haven't been able to wear them. They've tried the nasal strips, they've tried the throat sprays. So they sort of come in with a pretty low expectation that I'm actually going to be able to sort the problem out for them. Most people think, oh, I'm going to have to go for surgery or something like that, but no, I can do it the non-invasive way. It's just a matter of coming to see me and I can help you out.